Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Manasa Pursuit of Happiness, and this is your Dr. Chitradman. So today I've come with a very interesting and nice topic, that is on self-compassion. I don't know how many of you have heard about this term. So this concept is actually coming up right now in psychology compared to self-esteem and self-concept and all that. So this is a very beautiful concept, and let's go to the topic now. So we all have heard of things like, compassion, the term called compassion. And when we go out on the road and see a person who's homeless and people who are like asking for some help, or if you see a child who's like homeless and, begging on the street, and when we see these kind of people, so definitely what you feel is you feel like, you can understand their suffering. So that's the first step. We understand their pain. And the next thing is our heart goes out for them, and we start feeling the warmth, the kind and understanding, and that leads to actually the action that you really want to do something about them, something to them. So this is what compassion is all about. And similarly, when your friends or relatives or who is suffering from some issues, or they are actually failed, they've gone bankrupt, or they're having some debts which they cannot pay, or they've failed somewhere in their life. So in all these occasions, what we generally do is just go out to them and give them some help, or say some kind words to them, and be more understanding of them, isn't it? But then just think for a moment. Similarly, all these things have happened to us. Example, like you're failed in life at something, and you're like falling short of your ideals of what you really wanted to do in life, or life did not turn out the way you wanted to be, so you're frustrated, or you don't like some aspects of yourselves. So in all these cases, and when we do mistakes, in all these cases, what we generally do is, the first critics is self-critics. So we tend to be very harsh with ourselves. Especially, let's say, a student who is going for a presentation. Once the presentation is over and he's coming to the seat, the first thing comes to his mind is, can't you say this one word properly? So where this critic is coming from our own self. This is just one example. This is just a small specific example. So like this, there may be a lot of other shortcomings in your life, or a lot of the things where you might have failed, where you have suffered, and all these things. When we experience pain, we do only two things. One is we try to ignore the pain, or we try to exaggerate the pain and say like, why me? Why I only suffer in this whole world? So this is the mistake we do actually. So what are we supposed to do? How can you practice self-compassion in these scenarios where all of us do face as human being? The first thing is, we need to understand the reality that life does not happen in the way you always plan. And one more thing is, whenever we feel frustrated because our goals are not reached, and we are feeling that kind of anger, why it is happening to me, this is the reality you need to come in touch with and accept it. And one more thing is, we can't say like nobody is suffering and it's only me. It's all about collective human experiences. As human, there are certain facts of life. One is, all of you would agree about this particular concept, that all human beings are mortal. So this is highly factual. But how many of you can believe the other two things? That is, we all are vulnerable people, and we all are like imperfect, that is fallible. So this is the 100% fact as well. But generally we conveniently forget all that and be very harsh on ourselves when we are like not that perfect in a way what we wanted us to be, or we are not looking in a particular way, or I don't have the talent what my friend has. In all the scenarios, or whenever we have some sufferings, we forget all these things and we render ourselves to self-criticisms, and also we experience a lot of painful emotions. So one thing we need to be mindful is, first of all, we need to compare whether our emotions are like, are we overreacting to it? Are we like suppressing our emotions also? Sometimes we tend to suppress our emotions and deny things, or we like overreact to the emotions. So we need to always strike a balance and just look into yourselves, look into your look into your sufferings, your pain. Yes, I'm not experiencing a good thing in my life right now, but how am I going to respond to it? Am I going to be too harsh with myself, too hard on myself, or what am I going to do? Just imagine like you're like a baby, and baby has done some mistake. Do we hit the child? We don't, right? Similarly, please consider yourself as that one particular child. So you're that innocent, and sometimes people ask, like, if I'm just forgiving myself for everything, then when will I improve? Mistakes are human, so it's okay to make mistakes, but we need to learn from the mistakes and move on. Not about ruminating about the mistakes and get stuck with our life. So it is fine to be not okay at times, and at times everybody suffers. It's not only you, it's a human phenomenon, it's a human experience. Everybody goes through it. So you need to say, fine, I'm going through a very difficult time, so what I can do, I can respond to myself with more kindness and understanding of myself, and this moment also will pass, and I can be better in my life, both happy and healthy. So this kind of self-compassion, initially it will be very difficult to practice, and you will feel a lot of pain when we start practicing this, because all your inner pain and inadequacies about whatever you feel about yourself will be coming out. So don't fear that. It's okay. That is the initial period will be like that. But then when you consistently practice this self-compassion, the moment whenever life does not offer you what you really wanted, or you're falling short of your expectations about what you really wanted in life, whatever the cases may be, whatever stages of life you are, it is fine. It is still fine. It happens to everyone, and you're human, so it is happening to you also. Please accept and understand the reality and let go of it, and be more kind to yourself, so you can definitely achieve whatever you want in your life and also be very happy. So I think you understood this concept called self-compassion, and do start practicing this very important concept, that is self-compassion, and you will definitely see a lot of changes coming in your life when you're more positive. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and take care. Bye.